tojja tumanyiira. Jayden tojja tumanyiira tekijja kusoboka. N'olw'ensonga eyo abantu bonna abapushinga gundi ya Jayden omusondera sente. Please push ekyo ekintu nga mukonfaminze dona. Ali mu America. Ali mu America. Atalina mpapulera gwe mutaddewo nga ow'obusomi. Lwaki yaliwo nga ow'obusomi? They haven't even tested him. Bwatyo yatusondesa wano sente nga agamba ina muganda we omuto. Abantu bamala kusonda sente obusomo mye he's not a match. Jayden toli mugezi nga bulooza. Abana Uganda ate banange bano be bantu abagenda okustopinga abana Uganda from helping people. Owulira? Jayden, instead you didn't say nothing. Neba collecting ira sente nange na collecting sente ezange nkyazirina era part of the money I know one person yampa 1 million fully money personally. Yes. And
mugambe nange nine bizibu
abasonda omutwalo 2 3 5 10 neziwera million 2 mu emitwalo 9. Jayden, you kept quiet. You collected that money. Tewatuwa update. Abantu we batandika okubuuzabuuza. Kwe kwefiisa wano n'ogenda manyawa.
Twadamulaba mu bbaala nga ali mukola ki?
Mu ddwaliro.
Okuva mu ddwaliro twadamulaba nga ali mu bbaala.
Ne bannange eddwaliro ne balifuula erya content twamala kuyomba. Eddwaliro ne lingobawo abantu.
Era teryabagoba Senga teryabagoba, the people stay there until when the money run out.
Paka kati. Tetumanyi what happened and what next.
Ajja kusesemera atulirako amazzi.
Tunyonyola mbu munanga ate ani aba ayogera nga mwasoda
bisesemere nnyoko.
Jayden, you sat down and you wrote a script with I don't know who. Jayden ne mubba as Uganda sentence.
At this point I think it's Kasuku. Omanyi lwaki? Kasuku juzi yayangu posting. No, Senga, let's say things when they're necessary. Kasuku yasoka najira ku nsonga z'oyo omwana. Teyali yo mu ddwaliro teyakola, but juzi wanangazemu juzi one like 2 days ago. Kasuku was the first person to post about those stuff. Kasuku wabadde postinga ku deal ki mbera asme we need 500 million. Senga lindako, Senga mbadde sabo nindeko. Senga mbadde sabo nindeko. We also need to think like as people, as a country, who do we look up to? Who do we trust? Like Kasuku, really, you chose, among other things, to post that bullshit, that nonsense, and you think people should believe in you going forward when you're involved into the same scam? Why should we? Senga nabagambako Zubedah yalemu postinga ani ono mwala ono mkazi yazala omwana ono bawe gwe yali azunza musemanya sababu yambi omujjukira. Zubedah could not host her, to talk to her, to ask her Munanga her side of the story, whatever. But guess what? They posted that guy who was a thief and whatever, and they want us to do what? To believe that they're legitimate, or that we still like trust them, or love them? No. Uganda is learning where to move on when things don't make no sense. It doesn't matter whether you believe in someone. Let me tell you, I used to believe in Kasuku, and there was someone legit, someone who brings, a story is illegitimate. No, Senga Acid, it turned out to Senga Mpayo. Let me finish. It turned out to Kasuku, nega itata omwana, negai omufere omuyayi tebalina njawulo nnyo eryabo, because they all follow the same lineage, or they belong to the same type of harvest. Why should I believe Kasuku's post after the first one and the boy behaved the way he behaved and they've never produced any? Saying, you can't have promoting maybe singer enough for people. It was because Kasuku.
Chenandi gambye muganange Kasuku ne Zubedah your brand.
At this point, Kasuku is better than not Baganda Bangi. What are the evil spirits that we see in Uganda? Yeah.
Kasuku is my friend. Even Zubedah.
Fake friend. Your fake friend.
Pausing.
Okay.
Kasuku, I genuinely believe that Kasuku cannot front his face when he knows that. Wait, wait.
Well,
Please,
it did.
let me first talk.
It did. Yeah.
Let me first talk. When I finish, you can continue. I don't legitimately think Kasuku can front his face when he knows that something is a scam. That's not him.
He just did Senga though.
Because he was not aware.
He was aware. You know why? Senga, I'm going to shut up. No, let's talk for a minute. No, and I know why. Let me be another than keep quiet. I will say after.
Kasuku, what I'm not getting though, Auntie, you very well know this boy came back after and told people that he does not have a donor. You very well know.
Senga, can you start from the beginning that Kasuku started this?
First, shut up. Ebibyono byeyogerera kanjogereze byenjagala okwogera musiye gwe weka agenda okunziika omumazeeko abantu bonna abagenda okunziika sooka
njagala nkwetereyo mu ttaka nabetaka betanakuggwereko.
Well know that this boy does not have a bone marrow donor. You very well know that money is not the only the elephant in the room. You very well know that the government through Bebeko is willing to take this boy for a full medical, everything. But you're still, even after people collected that 90 million and there is no result, there is no accountability, there is no explanation. Kasuku, please don't carry this campaign forward unless that boy really shows people that he's standing on business, because it is your name, it's your brand. Jayden has no name, Jayden has no brand, but he's gonna use your name and your brand, like to mess it up. And then people like my brother here, I'm gonna say because at this point, Kasuku, I don't see why you should be pushing Jayden to collect more money. At this point, it's the truth. I don't see why you're pushing the campaign that this boy still needs money. We know that this boy still needs money, but to why you're saying the best in what?
That boy does not need any money. Even he never needed any money in the first place, because everything is a scam.
There is no diagnosis. Everything is a scam. But then, but YouTubers, they are still. When even the boy, I'm going to show you. When this boy is talking, yeah. Olabanga it's a script agamba nenkola ntya nemukola mutya nemusonda kati ate we mwamala okusonda nengamba ntya, like it's something